Genetic information. Did you know that the nucleus of each of the trillion of cells making up the human body include a data bank big enough to fill a 900 volume encyclopedia? DNA is a huge molecule hidden in the nucleus of every living cell. All physical traits of a creature are coded in this in this helical molecule. All the information about our bodies, from the color of our eyes to the structure of our internal organs and the form and function of our cells, are encoded in section called genes in DNA. The DNA code is made up of sentences of four different bases. If we think of each base as a letter, DNA can be linked to a data bank made up of an alphabet of four letters. All of the information about a living thing is stored in this data bank. If we attempt to write down the information in DNA, this would take approximately a million pages. This is equal to an encyclopedia 40 times bigger than the Encyclopedia Britannica, which is one of mankind's greatest accumulation of information. This incredible information is stored in the tiny nucleus of our cells, measuring about thousands of millimeter in size. It is calculated that DNA chain small enough to fill a teaspoon has capacity to store all the information contained in all books ever written. Of course, such an amazing structure could never be formed by chance, and this proves that life is created by God. Not surprisingly, evaluationists are unable to bring any explanation to the organ of DNA replication miracle. If you leave a bacterium in suitable environment, in a few hours you will see that it has produced hundreds of copies of similar bacteria. Every living cell has the ability to copy itself until the discovery of DNA. How this miraculous process took place was unknown. With the discovery of DNA, it was revealed that every living thing cell has a data bank that stores all the information about itself. This discovery displays the wonder of creation. DNA includes not only the plan of cell but also completes the body plan of living things. The structure of our internal organs or the shape of a bird's wings. In short, everything is encoded in DNA down to its smallest detail. The information in the helix, the DNA molecule, comprises millions of base pairs organized in a helical shape. If a DNA molecule is only one of our cells were folded, it would make 1 meter long chain. This chain squeezed into the cell nucleus. It is only as big as 100,000 of millimeter with an amazing packing system. However, they still embrace the chance hypothesis simply for the sake of keeping the theory alive. A well-known molecular biologist from Australia, Michael Denton, explains this in his book Evaluating a Theory in Crisis. To the skeptic, the proposition that the genetic programs of higher organisms consisting of something closer to the thousand millions bits of information equivalent to the sequence of letters in a small library of 1000 volume containing in encoding form countless thousands of intricate algorithm controlling, specifying and ordering the growth of development of billions and billions of cells into the form of complex organisms were composed by a purely random process in an effort to reason. But to the Darwinists, the idea is accepted without a ripple of a doubt. The paradigm takes precedence.
Okay.
The biological